Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 8.3 question number 10. What rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? Let us find. Here it is given that simple interest is equal to simple interest is equal to simple interest is equal to rupees 280. Simple interest is equal to rupees 280. Principal P principal P is equal to rupees 56,000 time T is equal to 2 years. Time T is equal to 2 years. Right? Now we know that simple interest is equal to simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. That is P into R into T by 100. If we put here all the values, we will get simple interest is rupees 280. Therefore 280 is equal to P is 56,000 that is 56,000 into R into T is 2 years, 2 divided by 100 right. If you cross multiply, we will get, or if we cross multiply, we will get 56,000 into R into 2 is equal to 280 into 100, or R is equal to 280 into 100 by 56,000 into 2. For this 0 will cut, this 0 and this 0, this 0 and this 0, and this 0 and this 0 will be cut. Right. Now 28. We divide it by 7. That is 4 7 is 28, 7 4 is 28, and 7 8 is 56. Again 8 1 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. That comes to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4. And it is in percentage, the 1 by 4%. Right? Therefore, we are getting divide 1 by 4. Divide 1 by 4. It is point. It is 0. That is 4 2 is 8. 9 10 2. Point is there 0. 4 5 is 20. Right? That means we are getting 0.25%. Right? Therefore, the rate is 0.25%. Hence, the rate of interest, hence the rate of interest is, hence the rate of interest is 0.25%. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.